Hi, I'm Kevin. I'm a graduate from University College, and yeah, let me take you on a tour around my apartment. Hello. So as you turn to the right, you get my bedroom. It's a double-sized bed, and you can purchase your linen pack from University College, or you can just come with your own, like myself. And over here, you get your own closet space. It's plenty of space for all my clothes, and yeah, it's great. Then over here, you get your bookshelf. I don't have that many books. I do most of my stuff digitally, but you get the freedom of decorating how you want. And if you walk along over here, you get your own little kitchenette as a graduate, and with space for your spices, space for your snacks, and it comes with home appliances. These were all provided by the University College: the fridge, the kettle, the microwave. Oh yeah, and there's also the laundromat. I mean, a washing machine and laundry dryer right below my apartment. So it's easy access, and it's all very, accessible and convenient. And if you come a little bit further, you get your own living room as a graduate student. You get plenty of light coming in from outside, but today is a bit gloomy. Otherwise, it's quite a nice view. There's a bit of construction, and that's soon to finish. So that's really exciting. And yeah, sorry for the mess. I'm an engineering student, so I tend to have all these weird and funny looking stuff. But it's yeah, there's plenty of space to invite your friends over whenever you want to have a chill time. And oh, this is my favorite part. You get a really massive desk. So I tend to be a messy worker, so I really enjoy the extra space for calculators, laptop, books, and all of that stuff. Let me show you my bathroom. So this is my bathroom, and as a graduate, you get your own, wash, your shower, your own toilet, and all of that. You don't really need to share. And yeah, it's very spacious, and I think it gets cleaned every week, every Thursday or Friday for the graduate apartment. And also the living room is also cleaned every Thursday or Friday. I can't remember which one it is, but cleaners come in and they vacuum the floor and stuff like that. So that's really great. And yeah, that's my apartment. Thank you for coming.